Oríṣiríṣi àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá nílẹ̀ yìí àti lókè òkun ó ní wọ́n ti wá ń sọ èrò àti ìwòye tiwọn lórí àwọn nǹkan tó wáyé, nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ níbi ayẹyẹ ìwúyè ìgbadé ọba sẹ́nitọ́ Rashidi Adéwọ̀lú Ládọjà gẹ́gẹ́ bí Olúbàdàn ìkẹrìnléníogójì nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn. Lára ohun tí àwọn èèyàn ń sọ tí wọ́n ń jẹ lẹ́nu tó ti diranto tó ń lọ káàkiri orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ó ní nípa gbajúmọ̀ olórin fújì Adébísí Taye Currency bàbá ọ̀nàrẹ́bù nípa àwọn orin tó ń kọ níbi ayẹyẹ ìgbadé ìwúyè ọba sẹ́nitọ́ Rashidi Adéwọ̀lú Ládọjà. Àwọn kan ní ṣé irú orin tó yẹ kí Taye Currency kó máa kọ níbi ayẹyẹ ìgbadé nìyẹn. Àwọn kan ní kílẹ̀ tó fẹ́ kó kọ ṣe bó ní fújì ni irú orin wo lẹ fẹ́ kó kọ kò lè kọrin tó tún ṣe jù bá ń lọ ṣèbí Taye Currency ni. Àwọn kan ní irọ́ o iṣẹ́ tán ràn ló ń jẹ́ o torí pé gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ wípé ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú PDP tí ó wà lóde nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ òní Taye Adébísí Currency ìlò ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún àbí. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀kan nínú àwọn ọmọ ilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn ojúlówó ọmọ ilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn òun náà kọ ìwòye tiẹ̀ lórí ayẹyẹ ìwúyè ọba sẹ́nitọ́ Rashidi Adéwọ̀lú Ládọjà gẹ́gẹ́ bí Olúbàdàn ìkẹrìnlélógójì nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn tó wáyé ní ọjọ́ kẹrìndínlọ́gbọ̀n oṣù kẹsàn-án ọdún tá a wà yìí lókè mọ̀pó nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn. Ẹjá gbọ́n tí Samuel Ìbíkúnlé arúgbó boys ẹjá gbọ́n tó kọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwòye títí ẹ̀. Ó ní regarding the uproar and mixed feelings about Taye Currency, the MC, Bayo Adelabu and all that followed, the part I was stuck into was the Were Lafinwo Were song by Taye Currency. Honestly, I am selective of what I comment on because I don't want to shift the focus of this great historical moment of the coronation of our king to side controversies. But before addressing the big issues, let us be clear. What played out on 26 September 2025 was more political than cultural. Politics came into full display conflict of interest between two political parties, the state government structures, even security details. Everyone involved knew exactly what they were doing. It was PDP versus APC on full stage. Taye Currency delivered exactly what PDP wanted, while APC and many culture enthusiasts felt disappointed, aggrieved, and worried. Do I blame Taye Currency? No. Did he perform according to the expectation of those who invited him and the job description they gave him? Yes. Would he deliver better? Yes. Would other artists have been a better fit for the coronation if politics was not involved? Absolutely yes. Only two names come close, that is Osupa and Sefia Lao. But truth is, every government chooses its preferred praise singer without considering public opinion. Governor Akala chose Femi Lancaster all through. Governor Ajimabi used Rasidi Ayinde Merengue. President Tinubu has always chosen K1 the ultimate from the Lagos days. Governor Seyi Makinde chose Taye Currency. So let us be honest. Governor Makinde gave us Taye Currency because he needed a musician who would sing his praises to the high heavens. Politically, he achieved his goal, but culturally, it came at the expense of Ibadan's honor. Now, wèrè la fi ń wo wèrè is trending as though the poor seating arrangement and failing sound system were not enough. Add to that the late arrival of the president and governor, which almost dragged the ceremony. If not for the king's good health, the dry jokes and awkward fillers only made things worse. Currency did his job, and in the process he even made Fuji trend again where people are stop paying attention. But here is the truth: we must separate culture from politics. Sadly, under this government, almost every cultural activity has been politicalized, and it is gradually diminishing the value of our traditional institution in Ibadan. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwòye gbajúmọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ pèdèpèdè agbóhùnsáfẹ́fẹ́ nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn Samuel Ìbíkúnlé arúgbó bọ́ìsì bó ṣe kọ òun náà lẹ gbọ́ tí a mú wá fún yín yẹn. Kí wá láwọn èèyàn ń wí, kí làwọn èèyàn ń sọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí èrò àti ìwòye àwọn èèyàn. Àwọn èèyàn ti fi ìwòye àti èrò tí wọ́n fi ṣọwọ́. Prince Adesina àwọn ní that was about qualities he performed yesterday. Má jẹ́ kó dùn mí. Rilwan àwọn ní he could not have done better. That stage was more than him. Just dey sing ògo. Taye Currency kọ́ Kẹ́hìndé náírà ní rádaràda. Eric Olúṣọlá Adénúgà àwọn ní I trust you. You will deliver on your fence sitting piece. You know in your mind that Taye Currency goofed. Yes, he can praise his paymaster and still deliver on the cultural lyrics context expected of a versatile musician in that setting, but instead he allowed his emotions to rule over artistry tendency. Okeowo Israel àwọn ní every person who appeared at the stage yesterday have two options: to be political or to be cultural. Those who focus on the event of the day decided to be strictly cultural, while those who are more focused beyond the event of the day went the political way. Though he who pays the piper dictates the tune, but the piper determines the lyrics and the rhythm. I think Samuel Ìbíkúnlé just gave us a clearer picture of what played out during the Olubadan Coronation. It is now left for each person to determine what we do with the information. Okay? Abioye Akinkunmi àwọn ní Taye Currency cannot do better than what he did yesterday. Forget about being influenced by PDP or APC. Singing Ọlọ́run Babalọlá in a coronation is very bad. Adebimpe àwọn ní late arrival of the president. No, it is protocol, and that is why his advance team were there until they give a go to the other team in Abuja. The president won't leave the villa. Plus no other person should come in after the president has arrived. That is a normal protocol. Okay. Abubakar Abdullahi senior right àwọn ní where the performance felt more suited for a political rally than a royal occasion, though many people were expecting his performance to be more refined, especially given the presence of high-ranking dignitaries. He could have taken the opportunity to sing about Ibadan's rich history, mention past Olubadans, and even highlight the city's cultural legacy. That would have honored the royal family and still allow him to respectively praise the new Olubadan. Akeem Akintunde àwọn ní I disagree with you. I am your fan, but I always support Taye Currency. Even Taye suppose use his sense. This is not political campaign. It's supposed to do better as indigenes of Ibadan. If you think deep, stop backing nonsense. Oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn náà ni wọ́n fi èrò àti òye tiwọn ni wọ́n fi ṣọwọ́ sí wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú Ìbàdàn ní ọjọ́ ayẹyẹ ìwúyè ìgbàdé ọba sẹ́nitọ́ Rashidi Ladoja. Ìkan tó rápálá wọlé o, Babátúndé Fásànyà wọ́n ní I take absolutely objection to your submission. In such august occasion, the roll call of musicians should have been broadened. We know the capacity of King Dr. Saheed Osupa at such epochal outing. Anyway, the damage have been recorded, and as per saying that Taye Currency musician brought Fuji back in limelight is totally incorrect. Fuji music have been the in thing, and no genre is close to it presently. I understand the omission of K1 at such occasion as it will dent the prestige of Ibadan-born musician, considering the issue of chieftaincy of Asiwaju Abbas Obesere with the former Olubadan. In summation, the organizers score a huge minus, and the record is for future references. Ẹ̀yin náà jẹ́ ká mọ èrò àti òye tiyín gẹ́gẹ́ bí ojú tẹ́yin fi wò ó àti bó ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ tiyín. Ẹ fi ṣọwọ́ sí wa láàyè comment nísàlẹ̀ fídíò yìí, á kà á sì ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣe wa. Ẹ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wò wá, ẹ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbọ́ wa. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ fún yín pé èrò kì í papọ̀, ìwòye kì í papọ̀, ojú ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ àti ìwòye ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Òun náà ni a fi máa ń wo ọ̀rọ̀ tàbí ṣẹlẹ̀ tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú. Ojú wo lẹ̀yin fi wò ó? Báwo ló ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ tiyín? Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ láàyè comment nísàlẹ̀ fídíò yìí. Ẹ ṣé o, àdúpẹ́, àmọ̀rírì yín.